Hey guys, so I recently completed a workstation build for my friend. He does drafting and design, and he uses AutoCAD, I think 2017 or 2018. So I never built a PC for that specific purpose. Usually always built just regular PCs for home use or for gaming. So I told him I'll be up for the challenge. I went ahead, I did some research, and I put it together. So I built it with a Ryzen 27 100X, a Radeon Pro WX 3100, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabyte RAM, M.2 1 terabyte hard drive, and pretty much everything else is the same. He did request it be as small as possible, so I did pick up an ITX motherboard and case. It is slightly on the larger side of ITX, but I think it was a wise choice. Helps some, have some expansion room to grow in the future. But other than that, I'm going to be showing you guys now the build log, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So hopefully that wasn't too boring for you guys. But yeah, that was pretty much my experience. I did want to show some benchmarks. I really did not know what benchmarks to use, being that like I said, I mostly build gaming PCs. This is the first workstation PC I ever built, but nonetheless, I installed Cinebench. I ran both the CPU and the GPU benchmark, and I also installed Heaven Valley benchmark. So as you see here, it does utilize all 8 cores, 16 threads rather well, and the stock heatsink runs really good. I did leave it at stock turbo, and I didn't bother overclocking it. Really, I just wanted this build to be more reliable for my friend than anything. Didn't want to run the risk of it, for some reason being unstable with an overclock. And nonetheless, it performs great. As you see, the score is 1717 on all threads, which is great. And here, I'm showing you guys a little bit of the GPU benchmark. Just to give you guys an idea, my AMD FX 8320 gives around 650, 700 points. So there's a massive increase. And there we have 83 FPS on that GPU benchmark. Running Heaven, I left it running for a little bit so you can see how it runs. Now, bear in mind that this GPU is not designed for gaming. Its main objective is for editing, editing, drafting, pretty much workflows such as that. So you're going to have drivers that are really dedicated for that. They're going to be built for that. They're not really going to be... You could do light gaming, as you can see here, but really don't buy a workstation graphics card for gaming. You'll be losing your money. You'll be better off just buying a gaming GPU for that. Here are the results. 28.7 FPS, which is kind of bad in my opinion. But other than that, I mean, I'm pretty happy with the build. In my opinion, it looks great. Just kind of needs a little bit of cleaning. But other than that, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the build, and that's pretty much it. Have a nice one.